Life Fitness multi-hip. This is exactly in the name. It's multi-hip, so it's going to train multiple muscles around your hips. Pin loaded, start somewhere light, get a feel for it. Now, first thing you want to make sure of is the foot position is at the right position. So if you're really tall, unlike me, probably go nice and low on this to adjust it, angle the pad, lift. I'm around setting number 3 or 4 there because I'm short dude. So what you can do on this machine, apart from heaps, we can do adduction. So moving in and training the adductors in here. Now you can do things to get even more range of motion, like getting further away and taking yourself past to get a really big contraction there. And you can also, if you do have the flexibility or mobility to get all the way up here, you can adjust that pad so you can start really high up, but that's probably a bit excessive. Now you can also do hip extension, which is glute and hamstring. We do that. We want to make sure that your other leg is out of the way of the movement, and using these handles to lock yourself in and coming into hip extension. You can go further than that, but you will be losing your rib cage position, which will be training some of your back as well, which we don't want in this movement. Glute and ham, full contraction there. Getting as much range as you can. And then we can also do abduction, abduction, which is the opposite to adduction. So we're moving out, training the lateral side, the outer side of your hip. And I like to get out of the way of it, get as much stretch as I can, and then move out as far as I can as well. You can get closer to the machine. You can stop here and just do more contracted position focused. Abduction, there's a few ways you can do it. Now obviously you can adjust this to the other side and do the other leg and all that sort of stuff. The final thing is hip flexion, which this pad's a bit low for me for hip flexion because it's below the knee. I've got to lower it, the foot plate, sorry. It's about there. So that this can be above my knee. But we're training the hip flexors. Most people think they've got tight hip flexors and they need to stretch them. You probably just need to strengthen them. At the bottom position, you just want to make sure that we're not doing this. So locking the ribs down as far back as you can go with the hip. I could probably go back further. Other leg out of the way. So that's ribs down, locked in. That's as far back as I can go. So I want to use all of that range. And that's it. Enjoy, train hard.